Hey everybody, this is Eric again with VBAHowTo.com, and today's video is on, drum roll please, how to restrict user access to specific computers. So basically we're going to have an error message like this pop up if you're not allowed to access a particular computer. So we're going to restrict the access basically whenever we open up a database like this. Okay, give me the scene, the hidden scenes. Whenever I open up this database, bang, it's going to tell me something negative. You're not allowed to be here. We'll shut you down. And then it shuts me down. Okay, what it essentially does, and here I'm going to open it up without having to, I have a form opening up in the very beginning, so I'm going to hold down my shift key and while I open up the database, and that keeps my code from running, my auto exec code. And basically I have this FRM check is the form that opens whenever the database opens, and that's a way you can essentially, if you have a form like that, just you can substitute for, you don't have to have an autoseg macro, and I typically do it just because I have control over it. I don't use macros. And so here's how you set it, options, and then my current database, and then display form FRM check, and that basically functions whenever I open up the database. I'm getting I'm able to open up a certain form like a switchboard or something, but this one is just checking it. Okay, so in here it's going to do the same thing, because when I open this up, it's going to tell me I'm not authorized because my name is not in a authorized list. And where, you may ask, is the authorized list? Well, it's in a table. Whenever I open up that form FRM check, I'm looking for a computer name. The particular computer name of this computer, if it's in this list, it's going to open up. And my computer name is not this number right, this alphanumeric number. It's allowed computers, for short. But so, and the if you notice, well, if you learn, if you didn't know, if you knew or didn't know, environ is a function you could use that, and you can get the environmental value variable for computer name, for the computer name, which is the username for the particular computer. So use these environmental functions, and you can figure out who the user that's logging in, who that user is that's logging in, and then you can store their name in a variable here. So and I would suggest that you actually put this on the back end so that you can control, you can split your database into a front end and a back end. This is all, it's all local. It's all in one database. So we don't have a front end back end setup here. But if you have a back end table called TBL computer allowed and you link it here, okay, it'll function the same. All your code will function the same way. You'll just have you control. You'll be able to, if you have your backend on the network drive, you'll be able to type in the computers, and you don't have to update them all the time with all these new users that pop in. So here I'm just, it's just one particular user myself, and or I may be able to put it on different computers or whatever, but here it's one computer, and this computer is allowed. And what is my environmental variable? what is my username? So I'm putting a breakpoint here, and I'm going to open up FRM check. Okay, what is my name? Let's see. And I'm not able to see it. What name did it come up with? Laptop. That's my computer name. And if I didn't know that, I could go to my debug window. Excuse me. Alternate G. Where did my media window go to? Ooh. Control G. I don't know what screen popped up on. Oh, it's lagging because it must be on this bit. Oh, here it is down at the bottom. Okay, and here's my computer name right here. Okay, so I'm using this DLOOKUP to look up the variable in here. Look up the computer name. Look up my computer name, and my computer name is not in here. So, and DLOOKUP is a good way. These are domain functions. Okay, domain DLOOKUP, and you can Google for this. But here's my field name I'm looking in, and I have it in brackets here. It's in quotation marks also. Part of the stipulation is that, okay, well, my next argument would be TBL computer allowed, and it's in quotation marks, and then the computer name equals whatever my current machine is called. So that's restricting user access right there, because it has to be my machine. I have to be the current user. This machine has access to use the database. So, and is null if it's not found, it's going to be blank. If not is null, if it's in there, it's not is null. It's not blank. So you're welcome. You may enter, and you're not welcome here. You're not authorized to be here in this database, so will it be shut down? Application.quit. Okay, application.quit. I take the database application and I quit. Just quit it. And bang. Okay, so it's done. So that is did I hold down the right keys? No. Try to hold down my shift key. I'll open it. Okay. So now, bang. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. And if you did, if you get value and you find it helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, press the like button. We'd like to get this video up to 5 likes. Okay, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thanks, and till the next video. And leave your questions. If you have specific questions, leave them in the comments below. Bye.